What's going on, gun lovers? Rizzo got a good question today, a great question today in the concealed carry class. And he was like, how many rounds do I think is sufficient to have in your everyday carry gun? I'm like, what? That's a good question. I would say, my opinion, bare minimum 10. So if you're doing 9mm 10, I know, depending on, how small your gun is, I would not go lower than 10. 10 to me is kind of just barely scraping by. I mean, think about how many times you've been at the range and how quick it is to mag dump or, pop off 10 rounds. It ain't a lot of time at all. I would try to say, especially if you got like maybe a subcompact, if you can, try to get somewhere between 12 to 15 rounds. I'm 12. I would say 12 is my minimum. I carry the 365 XL, and I got the 12 round. I do have 10 round mags that I have carried before. And I said I'm not comfortable with them because, you should have an extra magazine there with you. But, I would say, especially if you're just going to have one magazine, if you can do 15, do 15. Anything under 10, that's kind of pushing your luck. So if you do have 10, or if you're under 10, please get an extra magazine and carry that that extra magazine with you. So, but if you can, I like a nice round number right around 15. If you can do 17 and 19 with something bigger, that's fine. But 10 will be my bare minimum. But you can try to get something with it, maybe around 15 rounds in. All right. We'll talk to you guys later. Deuces.